It's now possible to DJ in Serato with Spotify. Huge news and something DJs have been asking for many, many years. You probably can't quite believe that it's happened, right? Well, it has. Not only in Serato, but in Algorithm's Djay Pro and in Rekordbox as well. In this video though, I'll show you how to do it in Serato. If you use one of the other platforms or both of them, then underneath you'll find links to our videos that show you how to do it in those. Firstly, let me show you how to do it. Then I will tell you a couple of extra things you need to know. So you're going to go to your Serato and you're going to click in the top corner on the cog. You're going to go to Library and Display and Show Streaming Services. Now, as long as you've got the latest version of Serato, and if you haven't, if you're not seeing what you see here, which is the Spotify option among the streaming services, then you can check for updates at the bottom and get onto a version that is this one or higher. As long as you are on one of those versions, you will have Spotify as one of your options. You can click on Spotify and click sign up or log into Spotify. Now you need to put in your username and also the code that they email to you. Once you've done that, it will give you this screen here. You agree to that and that's it. Spotify will now appear in your Serato software as an option. Let's have a look at how that works. So clicking on Spotify will load all the tracks, literally every track in your Spotify library. So it's loading them, as you can see now in the background, and I can sort them by anything I want. BPM is already there, key is already there, artist and so on. Once it's finished loading them all, you're good to go. Of course, that might be an awful lot of tracks. So you can click here and you can click your library and then click again and you've got all your playlists. So if I want just my warm-up playlist, there's my warm-up tunes. And again, I can organize by anything I want here. I've got other playlists down here as well. Now, one nice thing is that you can grab your phone and log into Spotify on your phone and you can add tracks to playlists, you can create playlists, you can do everything that you normally do with your phone app, and they will be duplicated instantly inside the library there. So you can do stuff on the fly and see it in your software as you're actually DJing if you want to, which is pretty cool. So there's another little nice thing that they've put in there, which is playlists to mix. So this is a set of playlists that are there ready for you to just jump into and mix from, that are likely to contain stuff that's useful for you. So a couple of things you need to know. You can only use Spotify or one of the other services. You can't use them concurrently in this version of Serato. In a future version you can, but not in this particular release. It's not offline, there's no stems, so the usual limitations apply, but you know, ultimately the pros definitely outweigh the cons here. So you are going to need Spotify Premium. You don't want audio adverts playing over the top of your DJing, do you? But you've got to have a paid subscription to Spotify. And that's it. Big news. Look, if you want to know how to use Serato properly, which you ought to, then do check out our Serato Made Easy course here at Digital DJ Tips. It's helped many DJs just like you get up to speed with this, especially if you're finally thinking, you know what, it's time. I need to start DJing because I can get my Spotify into my DJ software. Remember, also, this is available for other software as well. Again, there are links underneath in the description for the Rekordbox and Djay Pro videos where I talk you through how it works in those. Meanwhile, though, from me, Phil, here in the Digital DJ Tips studio, get good, get out there, make the moments, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.